Hello, I am the future technologies mentor, your teacher and trainer. Let's get started. How to launch your e-commerce brand in 5 easy steps. I'm here to help you start and grow your e-commerce brand. Today, we're going to talk about the 5 easy steps you need to launch your very own e-commerce store. These steps are simple and perfect for beginners, so let's get started. Step 1. Choose a niche. Step 1 is to choose a niche. This means deciding what type of products you want to sell. Don't try to sell everything. Focus on one category, like beauty products, fitness gear, or pet supplies. A great way to pick a niche is to think about your interests or problems people face. For example, if you love fitness, you could sell workout gear. If people often ask for eco-friendly options, you can focus on sustainable products. Remember, the more focused your niche, the easier it is to attract customers. Step 2. Find winning products. Step 2 is to find winning products. These are products that are in demand and have the potential to sell well. Start by researching trending products on Google Trends. You can also check marketplaces like Amazon or AliExpress to see what's popular. Another great tool is Oberlo. It helps you discover hot-selling items for your store. Remember, you don't need 100 products to start. Just 5 to 10 good ones are enough under a single niche. Step 3. Choose your platform. Step 3 is to choose where you'll sell. I recommend starting with Shopify because it's beginner-friendly and has everything you need to set up your store. If you're on a tight budget, you can try WooCommerce, which works with WordPress. Make sure to pick a platform that allows you to showcase your products beautifully and handle payments securely. Step 4. Design your store. Step 4 is to design your online store. Your store's design matters because it's the first thing customers see. Pick a clean and professional theme that matches your brand. Use high-quality images and write clear, simple product descriptions. For example, instead of saying, "This is a great product," say, "This product is durable, lightweight, and perfect for daily use." Always add customer reviews or testimonials if you can. It builds trust. Step 5. Market your store. Step 5 is marketing your store. Even the best store won't succeed without customers. Start by promoting your store on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Create posts showing your products in action. You can also use paid ads to reach more people. Another tip is to offer discounts or free shipping when you launch. It's a great way to attract your first customers. These are the 5 simple steps to launch your e-commerce brand. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of our updated videos.